Hi guys, welcome to techsunjay YouTube channels. Today you will know from the tomorrow process to sign in your Google account, that is email ID, in Chrome browser by the previous process. Okay, so continue that process. So first of all, open our Chrome browser. Okay, you will see there is no any Google account is sync in it. So I will log in a Google account. In this you will click on three dot option, okay, and go to setting, okay, and next step is click on turn on setting, okay, and you have a option display to select your Gmail ID. Suppose this is my Gmail ID, techsunjay, and नेक्स्ट लास्ट स्टेप दैट इज क्लिक ऑन SIM इन, मीन्स हम इसमें लॉगिन हो रहे हैं, उस पर क्लिक कीजिएगा एंड योर ईमेल ID इज लॉगिन इन दिस क्रोम ब्राउज़र. ओके, so you will see, you will also log in if you download a Chrome browser new times, you will also log in from there. Okay, so thanks for giving your time. Thank you everyone.